this is Scott from Piasa Armory. Today I'm going to show you how to disassemble a Colt 1908, also known as the vest pocket. The first step, remove your magazine, make sure that the pistol is unloaded. So your magazine is empty. Pull the slide to the rear. This one does not have a slide lock, so you'll have to look in the chamber and in the magazine well, make sure it's empty. And then you'll pull the slide to the rear until you are right about there on it. If you look into the ejection port, you'll notice there are a few little notches here. Those have to line up with notches and ridges that are on the barrel. So you pull the slide back to right about here, grab the knurled end of your barrel, and rotate. And turn it all the way until it stops. Gently let your slide forward, and it will all come apart. Just like that. You can take your striker and it springs out. Rotate your barrel all the way the other direction until it stops. Push it back and it'll drop out just like that. And then you can pull your guide rod and spring out. Alright, now let's reassemble. Take your barrel, put the knurled end in the front, and then find those notches again, rotate it. Take your firing pin, drop it in. There's a small notch on the bottom, make sure that lines up with the channel. Then your spring, then the guide drops inside the spring. Pick up your frame, guide rod and spring go in this small hole in the front, just like that. Line everything up with the frame rails. And your guide rod spring, make sure you don't crush that. Have a hard time finding a new one. Pull it all back. And rotate the barrel. Let it go forward. That's it. If you'd like to see how to clean a pistol or lubricate a pistol, you can check out our other videos. If you'd like to see more, check us out, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, facebook.com/PiasaArmory, and check us out online, piasaarmory.com. Thank you.